Ever been told, sorry, your flight is overbooked, and you're left stranded at the airport? Here's how to pack smart in case you're bumped, delayed, or rebooked. Getting bumped doesn't have to be a disaster. With the right travel kit, you'll stay calm, clean, connected, and one step ahead. First up, your power bank. Your phone is your lifeline during disruptions. Keep it charged with at least 10,000 milliamp hours of power. Don't forget a few toiletries and a change of clothes. A clean shirt and fresh breath go a long way after 12 hours in an airport lounge. Pack snacks, think protein bars and nuts, and carry a refillable water bottle. You don't want to be at the mercy of overpriced terminals. Stash basic meds, sleep aids, and a neck pillow. If you're stuck overnight, you'll thank yourself. Install apps like your airline's official app, FlightAware, LoungeBuddy, and Google Translate for smooth rerouting and real-time updates. And most importantly, stay calm. It's not personal. Use delays to reset, journal, or plan ahead. A bump doesn't mean a breakdown. Here's your quick bump-proof checklist. Screenshot this or save it for your next flight. Like this video? Subscribe for more travel smart tips and drop a plane emoji in the comments if this saved your trip.